Alright guys, so here we are with another potato plant that has died, as you can see, and I'm gonna be harvesting potatoes from it. But before I do that, I'm gonna water it with this. I'm gonna water it, and then I'm gonna harvest the potatoes using this garden tool. And also, we have some wild bird food and some water for the wild birds out there because we can't for them. Alright guys, so now let's water the plant. So this is the plant right here. Okay, now let's dig. Ah, here's one. And then I'm gonna put them in the bucket. Here's another one. Another one. And here's one more. And here's some. And here's one. And also, guys, I'm gonna be taking out the stem for a better view. Well, guys, look, it has some potatoes growing on it. I might as well just pluck them. Look, this one's a pretty weird potato. That's I'm just gonna take this last one. And the rest on here are just other baby potatoes. And might as well pluck them, since they're also potatoes. Okay, now let's just put the stem here and keep digging for more potatoes. Oh, here's one hidden. Mash in there. Oh, there's one. Oh, this potato plant sure has a lot of potatoes. Oh wait, these are potatoes. Since they're covered in so much dirt, I thought they were rocks. Okay guys, I think that's it, but I'm just double checking. Oh, see? Always gotta double check before you think you're done. This one. What the? I don't know what this is, guys, but I think it's something else. I think it's garlic. Yeah, this is garlic for some reason. What's it doing in a potato plant? I'll just keep that aside right over here. Or I'll just put it in the bucket. Everything counts. Yeah, guys, I think that's it, this potato plant. So, guys, and I think, so this is all of the potatoes we have harvested in this potato plant. This is a lot of potato, guys. This is a lot of potatoes, guys. And I think this is our biggest potato harvest yet in all of these other potato plants. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this video, like and share with everybody you know. And make sure to watch more videos of Shri and Shiv Plays. And also, guys, we will be making the French fries too. They're pretty yummy. Okay, guys, now bye. Okay, guys. guys, now let's wash the potatoes. Looking pretty clean. Oh, here's a bowl of garlic. It's like a little swimming pool. Huh. Look how clean these potatoes are. So clean.